Hypebeast dab with another one. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm a Hypebeast, so but I'm a retired Hypebeast. But I still be getting residuals of that Hypebeast lifestyle. Let's see what we got up in here. So today we got the Antisocial Club Anorak, or I don't know what they call it, Anorak. Anorak. Yeah, it's hot, so it's like 100 degrees, so I'm probably not wearing this for a while. But it does get cold. I do live in Colorado, so let's see. And it doesn't seem like it's the hottest material. On the back, it has Antisocial Club and like some flower type pattern. And then a nice Antisocial Club on the front. Let's see what inside. Antisocial Club, little logo. So, you know, nice quality. I'll put it on real quick. I'm a big guy. I'm 6'5". So I can fit it at 2X. And you guys could probably fit it. But yeah, probably rock this to my show in Denver next week. Yeah, definitely fit 2X. That's the hood. Antisocial. New drop. Hypebeast.